Yes, guys, this is not any blog or just a message to all those who love dog or who pretend to call, who pretend to call themselves like I'm a dog lover. This message is for you. Listen very carefully. Maybe you have brought the dog or you are thinking to bring, whatever. Listen this very carefully, Now they are cute. You bring puppies. They give you love, okay? But after a few years, when they grow up, when they get frustrated, okay, when they bark in home, so what do you all do? You just leave them on road to die, okay? I know you don't kill them. You just leave them somewhere thinking that, yeah, it's best for them. But listen very carefully, okay? When you bring any puppies, okay, they are very stupid. They are not smart like a human who can deceive, who can lie, who can cheat. They are very loyal. So when you bring any dog in your home, okay, they think that, yeah, you are the world of them, okay? You are the world of them. So they give their whole, they become that much friendly with you, that much frank with you. They think that, yeah, they can do anything with you. They can bark, they can lick, they can do anything with you. All I'm saying, when you spend your time with their cuteness, when they are cute, okay, don't leave them when they are old. Don't leave when they are old, because you won't believe. Me too, I have a dog. So when my dog was barking, when he got disease so all my society, they were saying that, yeah, just throw this dog or leave this dog somewhere, all this thing. I couldn't have done it because I was thinking, what's his fault? What's his fault in this, right? Because I brought him when he was a baby, okay? Now he grown up. This is the time when he need our help more than time. This is the time they need our help. And what we do now, when they are not cute, they are not obeying us. So we just leave them. Listen very carefully. Those of you who have left their dog on road to die, you have taken one life. They died because they don't know how to survive in this hard world. So they died. Whoever have left their dog or thinking to leave their dog on road, remember this thing. You are directly killing them. Okay? So I will say only one thing. Don't leave them, because they will be waiting for you. And if you kill them, mark my word, karma will pay you back. Remember that. You will have to pay for what you're doing. Don't ever try to leave your dog. If you can't afford their barking, if you can't afford their problem, don't even think to bring dog in your home. Remember that. Don't even think to bring dog in your home. Yes, guys. So in last, I will just request you, please don't leave your dog when they are old, when they are barbaric, when they are barking, they are making noise. Try to manage with them. Don't leave them on road, because I have seen so many family in my society, in my area, when their dog out of control, so they just leave them. They just take their dog and they just go to forest. They just leave them to die. Don't do that. Don't do that, because by now they have spent their entire life with us, okay? They think that, yeah, we are the one, their family, okay? Now they won't survive. Trust me, they can't survive. Now they are used to of getting food easily. They are used to of being loved. They are used to of this environment. They can't survive in outworld, and outside dog will kill them the moment you leave and you just move around. That's what I'm saying. Don't ever think to drop out your dog or leave your dog. If you really can't bear the dog, don't bring in your home. If you have no guts to listen dog barking, don't bring dog. Don't take dog life. Don't take dog life.